Sue me. Good morning, Ireland. It is day 3. I had a lot to drink last night. Yesterday was a little uneventful. Not uneventful, not in the slightest, but in the sense that I didn't do like any touristy things other than just walk around, go to Handsome Scent, because then I just ended up doing like a little pub crawl in the evening, which was a lot of fun. I really liked it. And today, though, I'm doing a day trip to Howth with some people that I've met on this trip. So we're doing that in a few hours. But for now, a little chocolate croissant, coffee, and I'm gonna relax. I'm gonna watch some TV, just hang out. And then once I start getting ready for Howth, I'll take you along with me. So yeah, I'm excited. Howth is a little coastal town, like 30-40 minutes outside Dublin, so yeah, I'm hoping to see some puffins, truthfully, because apparently they're out and about again. So yeah, I'm just gonna have my breakfast and relax this morning. Okay, I'm just gonna start getting ready now because I don't know, I just kind of want to go now. So we're just gonna do a little bit of makeup, change the outfit, maybe put the hair in a clip. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, just watch me get ready for a little bit. Okay, this is the fit to go to Howth. Linen pants, Keds, and my Talbot sweater. I'm ready to go. I'm tired, but I'm ready to go. Okay, I made it. And apparently it's pronounced Howth, not Howth. Hello. I'm trying to find a place to do one of the cruises, because that's obviously what was recommended, but look how cute. Look how pretty it is here. Hang on. And another gorgeous day for it. I love it here. I cannot find these cliff cruises, but I'm determined and I will. Well, look how pretty it is anyway. Island. I found it just in time. I got right on the last boat that just took off. Okay, well that took a little longer than I expected. Not that that's a terrible thing, but yeah, I had calamari and oysters and they were delicious. I just wanted something kind of light. I didn't even finish my calamari, just not that hungry, but just like look how nice it is down here. I think I'm just gonna pop into a store or two and then hit the train back. Because I am a little tired. I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep a lot last night. Okay, that was the cutest little thing. It was called the Crafty Crab Market, which is only, I think it's on Saturdays and Sundays. And I got this beautiful ring. But this blue, I have to adjust it a little bit, but I got this beautiful blue ring. Well, it's gold, but it has like that blue pendant. Oh, I freaking love this. I don't need more jewelry, but certainly a book. Okay, I had to come back and take a little nap because I was so completely exhausted, and I didn't know if I was gonna go out tonight, but I took a little nap. I'm gonna go get dinner, and then I'm forcing myself to go to 2 more pubs, to just make friends and listen to music. I'm not staying out until 3 a.m. for the 3rd night in a row. That's just not happening. I still have a tour tomorrow that I don't want to be hungover for. So I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna enjoy another evening. If I want, I could go out tomorrow night because my flight doesn't leave till like later the next day. Whatever. So yeah, we're gonna go get some dinner and then go have a little bit of fun. I'm probably, because it's 7 right now, I would be shocked if I was still out at like 11. But with that being said, you fucking watch, because I just said that I'm gonna be out until the wee hours again. Sue me. Like it's always psh, keep it a tape tonight, and then you're in the bushes like 2 hours later. Okay. Anyway, I just want to go have some dinner and enjoy a beer or two and listen to some music. So let's go do that. Okay, I'm having dinner at the bank. My French martini. It's absolutely delicious.